Thank you, Sasha, for the idea. I'm going to demonstrate what I think you were talking about. I'm going to be making a note on a book that I'm reading on philosophy, and the first thing I do is I look for a structure note to hang the book on, and this book is about philosophy, so I'm going to search for philosophy. And I'm going to hang it on this note, The Art of Living a Good Life, which is where a lot of my philosophy gets hung. And it has a lot of sections, and here's the book section. So I go to the book section. Here's the book section. I'll add um, the title of the book. And this is a great book, by the way. Proust Can Change Your Life, French book. So here we go. We're highlighting the name of the book, and I'll launch my new note templates. And I'm going to use this one book note from a link, launch it, and it creates a link in the structure note to this note on the right, and the note has the idea flower in it, and my notes are underneath it, which I can then use to compare and contrast. So I really appreciate it.